Hey friends, Katie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be kind of like me going back to my basics of YouTube. I used to make this style version, I guess we could say, of videos like literally like once a week. I feel like maybe like a couple of years ago I used to. Like I kind of stepped away from it and went into my vlogger series, which is a series I created like completely 100% named, created on my own. But I used to do like character get the looks like literally all the time, and I kind of stepped away from it for a while. Like I think the last one I did was in September of 2018 is when it was posted, and I stepped away from it. I have no idea why. I think I always meant to get back to it, but I kind of just like haven't made a character one in a while. I don't know. And now I'm back to it today and I'm super excited. I'm so excited that I'm getting back to them, and hopefully I'll have way more to come in the future. But today I created Rebecca, young Rebecca, I guess we could say, from This Is Us's look and everything, and this is how it turned out. This is the look and everything. I really wanted to do like This Is Us characters because that's like one of my favorite shows, and I don't know, this is something I get really excited about, and like I don't know, I really like This Is Us, and I wanted to do kind of like the young characters styles and everything, and I just really wanted to do This Is Us. It's the first thing that popped in my mind. So today I created Rebecca's look. I feel like I created my own version of her outfit, at least what it would be to current standards, because of course the show does flash back and flash forward and everything. I have of course a moon necklace, because if you don't know what that symbolizes in This Is Us, wow, you're a fake fan and everything. And I kind of created her makeup look as to like current standards. I didn't really go 80s with it and everything and stuff like that, but I really love how it turned out. Kind of just kept like her natural straight hair, and yeah, so I'm showing you how to get her hair, makeup, and outfit in this video, and I really like how it turned out and everything. And yeah, there's not really much to say. This is my Rebecca get the look, and that's pretty much all you need to know. But I feel like her look is just very simple. She has kind of like rash makeup, like it doesn't look like she really tried, but she also looks really like beautiful, put together, you know, that kind of stuff. And yeah, this is the look, and I'm super excited, so let's just get right into it. So for primer, I'm using my Too Faced Hangover RX primer, and then the Wet n Wild Dewy primer, which is my favorite. I just wanted my skin to be very dewy and hydrated for the foundation and just for everything, because that's personally my favorite when it comes to my makeup preference, I guess we could say. And then for foundation, I'm using the L'Oreal Pro Glow. I just love this foundation. You can do like your own preference for your makeup when it comes to the base for the get the look, because like that's just, it's not going to matter what foundation you're wearing. I mean, I kind of went for like a very light layer of foundation just because I wanted to get that natural look that you see Rebecca get, because her skin like looks perfect and like has that aspect to it, but it's also very lightweight. So I wanted to just go for that simple look. So I only applied like one layer of foundation. For concealer, I'm using the Makeup Revolution concealer in C2, and I'm just applying it under my eyes, on my eyelids, and then I'm also applying it to the bridge of my nose, in between my eyebrows, my chin, my cupid's bow, and then I'm just blending this out. And I just love this because it gives you like a natural highlighted look, which I feel like Rebecca definitely has. And then I'm just setting with the Laura Mercier loose translucent transparent powder, whatever you want to call it. I'm setting under my eyes, and then just the perimeters of my face. I don't set like my whole face. And then I'm just going to prime real quick with my Lorac behind the scenes eyeshadow primer, which I'm almost done with. And then I'm just going to do a quick bronzing around the perimeters of my face with the Becca Bondi bronzer and everything on like my cheekbones, my temples, on the sides of my nose and everything. I feel like Rebecca has like a more defined, and just like she has like a warmth to her face, which I wanted to add to my face. And then I'm just setting my lids with Ivy, which is just a basic white base shade from my Pan That palette this year, which is the Power of Makeup. And then I'm taking Painkiller and then that bronzer for my crease, because I just want something warm and just simple to like, you know, use as a transition for my eye look today. And then in my crease as a transition, I'm just going to use Birch and everything to kind of just warm it up and add a transition to my eyes and everything. And then I'm going to mix it with Twig and just put Twig in alone, and then I will mix them together and stuff to get like a perfect crease shade. I just want it to be like defined and just have that look to it and just be very simple. And then I'm going in with the shade Cinder, which is just like a almost like a gold, but like a cool toned gold, which I really like. And then I'm taking Dystopian and I'm just deepening up the outer corner to give it like more depth to my eyes, and then I'm just blending this all together, like just so it's more natural like Rebecca's eye look is. It's very simple, and that's just a very quick how you get her like eye look, I guess. And then I'm just bronzing a step forward, and I'm taking Hoola and Dallas, and I'm just putting this around the perimeters of my face and the sides of my nose and everything, just to give a very simple, just like bronzed up look, just very quick and easy. And for blush, I feel like Rebecca has just a very soft pink, so I'm taking Dandelion from Benefit and just using that on my cheeks to give a very pinky just flush to my cheeks. And before I apply highlight, I'm just going to mist my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray and everything, and then I'm going to dry myself off a bit just before I put on that setting spray, because we don't want it to be like too wet. And then for my highlight today, I'm going to use the Tarte Exposed highlight, which is one of my favorites and everything. I haven't used it in a while, but I felt like it was just very Rebecca. It's just a nice soft like champagne gold, which I really like. It looks beautiful on the skin and stuff. And then I'm also going to kind of like just apply this wherever you'd apply highlights. I'm going to go like on my forehead a little bit, on my cheekbones, my chin, my cupid's bow, nose, and then bridge of the nose. And then I'm just going to blend it out with just a kabuki brush, because we don't want it to be like too strong of a highlight. And then for brows, I'm just going to use my Make Me Brow from Essence, which I love. It's so cheap and so like amazing, and I just wanted to go for a very defined natural eyebrow look like Rebecca has, because her brows really don't have much to them. So I just been brushing this through my brows, and I like needed to get my brows done so bad, and I did later that day, but they look kind of like a hot mess while I'm doing my brows. And for my mascara, I'm going with a layering effect like I usually do. First off, I'm starting off with the Superhero mascara from Cosmetics, and then I'm going to be going in with the Clinique High Impact Lash Elevating Mascara and everything. And this is kind of my favorite duo as of recently for mascara. I just love using two different ones instead of just using one. It just gives you that false eyelash effect. I'm taking that highlight I used earlier and putting in my inner corners to highlight a bit. And then for lipstick, I'm taking my Bite Beauty Amuge Bouge lipstick and Sugarcane. I feel like Rebecca always has like a pink look to her lips, so this is what I'm using today, and I love this color. It's Bite Beauty has one of my favorite lipsticks, or among my favorite lipsticks, I should say. They're awesome. And that's it for the makeup, and now on to the hair, which really isn't much. I just take my hair out of the ponytail that I had it in, or the bun I had it in, and then I'm just going to brush it out. I wanted to go for Rebecca's just natural straight hair and everything. It's not like perfect, but it's pretty straight, and that's just what I wanted to go for today. I didn't really want to go for like curls or anything like that. Wasn't really feeling that. I feel like young Rebecca just has like straight hair. And now onto the outfit. Of course, it wouldn't be This Is Us without a moon necklace. If you're a true fan of the show, you would know Jack got her a moon necklace. Mine is from Kohl's and everything. And then my sweater is from Marshall's and everything. I love this. I just wanted to go for an outfit that I feel like would be Rebecca to this day, which I mentioned in the intro. And then my jeans are from Old Navy, which I love. And then I wanted to go for these booties because I feel like that's just so Rebecca. I don't know, in my mind that's what Rebecca wears, and these I will link down below. I believe I got them from Marshall's, and that's the full Get the Look. Okay, so this is it for my Rebecca Get the Look. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed this Is Us style video, like Get the Look. These are back, and let me know any other character looks you'd like to see next. I will be doing more This Is Us characters, but let me know what you want to see down below, other shows and everything. And yeah, these are definitely fun to do, and I've missed them, so I'm glad we're back. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up as well, and subscribe if you haven't already. Exposed videos Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Hopefully this might be a bonus video. I want to kind of get this up on Tuesday. This Is Us is back on Tuesday, so maybe I will. If so, This Is Us is on tonight at 9/8 Central on NBC. Being their spokesperson, definitely not, but you know, just living through that. And yeah, so I typically post Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Be sure to subscribe, and yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.